Before we start our discussion, please stand up first for our prayer. So, in the Father, of the Son, of the Spirit, Amen. So, good morning, class. Before you sit down, please pick up the pieces of paper in your area, and after, please sit down. Are you done? So, please sit down and arrange your chair. So, before we start our discussion, let's know our topic first. Our topic is about multiplication of two-digit numbers by one-digit numbers. And now, before we start our discussion, or before we tackle about our topic, let's discuss first our learning objectives. So at the end of the lesson, students should be able to multiply a two number by a one-digit number with and without regrouping. Solve word problems involving multiplication. Demonstrate perseverance and accuracy in solving multiplication problems. So I have here is some example of fruit vendor. A fruit vendor. So if a fruit vendor sells 12 bananas in pack and the customer buy 3 packs, how many bananas did the customer buy? So let's tackle it and let's answer it. So we have here a 12. So we have a 12 times 3. So let's separate the number 12. So when we separate, the 12 can become 10 plus 2. This is 12 equals. So to have our answer, let's put it down. 10 times 3. So 10 times 3 equals 30. And 2 times 3 equals 6. So to have a answer, let's add the product. So 30 plus 6 equals 36. So it means the customer buy 36 bananas in 3 packs. So please count 1 to 2 to have a group. Are you done? So in the right side, please down the number 2 and the left side is number 2. So I have a number puzzle and all you need to do is answer the question. And after that, we discuss on how or we discuss if it is correct or not. Are you done? Since you're done, so let's discuss if it is correct or not. So let's discuss first the first group question. Their question or number puzzle is 23 times 4. And they say is the answer is 92. So let's talk it first if it is correct or not. So explain two methods. First is the expanded form. And so 23 equals 20 plus 3 multiplied separately. So we got 20. It's because we separate number 23. So become 20 and 3. So 20 times 4 equals 80. 3 times 4 equals 12. And add the products, 80 plus 12 equals 92. So the answer of group 1 is correct. So next, let's have the standard algorithm. In group 2 answer, they say that the answer is 141. So let's discuss 47 times 3. So multiply the ones place. 7 times 3 equals 21. So multiply the tens place. We have 4 times 3 equals 12. So that to have the answer, let's multiply that 21 times 12. So the correct answer is the 141. So the group 2 answer is correct. So I have here the 2 questions and answer the 2 questions. So who got answer the number 1? Okay, Angela. So number 2, okay, John. So now let's check the answer if it is correct. So 35 times 2. 35 times 2. So 35, let's separate that number. 35 to 30 plus 5. And so 30 times 2 equals 60. 5 times 5 equals 25. So let's add the product. 25 plus 60 equals 85. So it is correct? Yes, it is correct. So let's move to number 2. 46 times 5. So 6 times 5 equals 60. And 4 times 5 equals 20. So the answer is 1,200. So it is correct. So now, since you understand our lesson, please get 1/2 sheet of paper and answer the following questions. And I give you 20 minutes to answer the questions. So are you done? Please pass the paper in front. And I'll be the one who check it. Because there's no remaining time for us to check it. So, before we close our discussion, please stand up for our closing prayer. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. Goodbye, class.